Hi, folks. Congratulations on getting the jam-packed Email Marketing 3.0 training guide. You have made a very smart choice. And to sweeten the deal, I have a one-time offer in store for you that you won't ever see again. Presenting High-Definition Email Marketing 3.0 Video Training. These videos are precise, clearly outlined, very easy to understand, and help you to segment customers and target them precisely for your offers. Show your products and services easily to globally scattered audiences. Double your opening rates without any hassle, boost your subscriber list and maximize ROI, increase revenue, sales, and profits for your business, and above all, you can get maximum exposure for your offers without incurring heavy expenses. With this video training, you'll get all the necessary information in one place to move ahead in a streamlined direction. So don't waste a second thinking about it. Just get your hands on this step-by-step HD video training and supercharge the growth of your business. These high-quality, bit-by-bit videos are as good as gold and will help grow your profits exponentially. With our strategies, the complete process will be quick and easy, and even non-tech savvy people can use it with no problem. Well, guys, currently we are offering this for a massive discount. But all good things come for a limited period of time only, and so is a one-time offer, available for the next few days, only for our privileged customers. Click below this video now to get this Email Marketing 3.0 high-definition video training today.